Everyone, welcome to our post-game press conference. Congratulations to the Ateneo Blue Eagles for winning over the UE Lady Warriors 81 to 52. We have Coach L.A. Mumar, Sara Macanchula, and our reigning two-time MVP, Casey De La Rosa. Coach, congratulations for this victory. Casey scored 19 over 29 points in the first half. She dominated the game, so what can you say about her performance this afternoon?
First, I'd like to thank Jesus for the win. Yeah, I think our girls kind of started off a bit tense. So, Casey had to bring the veteran presence, sila ni Sarah. Because our girls were a little bit hyper. I guess first game jitters for most of our girls. So, Casey, the MVP, stepped up for us, sila ni Sarah.
Thank you to Sarah. You had 15 points, 11 rebounds, 2 assists, 3 steals, and 1 block. So, Coach's veteran presence was the key to make you lose in the first half. So, what can you say that you're able to get this win?
I think we just came to the club and do what we're supposed to do during the end of the game. The goal is to win the game, so whatever it takes to win, just do it.
Thank you. And to Casey at 29 points, 9 rebounds, 5 steals, 4 blocks, 1 assist, and plus 59. So yun nga, set.
Pang fantasy!
Yes. So, Casey said, yun nga, veteran presence yung key para, syempre, maka-breakaway kayo sa second quarter. So, ano yung ginagawa mo para mag-guide mo yung mga newbies, like yung Camille, sina Lauren, and everyone, what can you say?
Siguro yung sinasabi ko lang sa kanila na first game pa lang to, parang warm up for them, and for sure naman na mag-step up din sila sa mga next games. Kasi yung first game, sabi ni Coach, parang kinakabata sila. And din, ginaguide ko lang sila sa mga plays, ganyan.
Thank you, Casey. Okay, the floor is open.
Coach, sabi mo last season, obviously, yung bench presence na yung medyo kulang. For this game, medyo mas marami pa rin talaga touches on the ball si Casey and Sarah, but looking at the first game, how are you liking yung, I guess, yung contributions ng others, especially the guards also?
Yeah, well, that's true. I'm very happy with our guards. We didn't have anybody play more than 30 minutes. That's good for us, very good. I think that gave sina Casey, sina Sarah more energy, and they're more fresh coming into yung mga spurts sa game. So, happy naman ako. Some of our rookies and sophomores medyo, pero I'm sure they'll get better. As Casey said nga, medyo kinabahan ng konti, but hopefully better in the coming games.
Casey, syempre coming from the World Cup and getting that win with the U23 team, siguro, how's your confidence na lang going into season 18?
Bago naman ako sumali sa World Cup, parang super confident naman ako with yung team. Lalo na maganda yung pinapakita namin off-season. And habang naglalaro naman ako dun sa World Cup, parang yung mind ko nasa Ateneo pa rin, para ready pa rin pag may games. And hindi ako parang pabigat for them.
Hindi ka naman pabigat, don't worry.
Sarah, what can you say, to just really support Casey also, especially because defenses, they focus on her as the MVP?
I think most of our plays revolve around Casey, so over time we learn to play around her and help her also, so even if the defense collapse, we know we're supposed to stay, and also we help her and we help each other.
Smile naman.
Coach, may jet lag pa si Casey.
Yeah, actually si Casey wasn't able to train with us because nga we wanted her to focus on Gilas and schoolwork. So, pero Casey's plug and play. She's been with us for 4 years, so we are not worried. So, yeah, dumating siya the other day lang, no? Na-jet lag sa China.
Uwi ako mag-isa.
Umuwi ka mag-isa. First time ba yun? Oo.
So, better numbers next time.
Sobra naman kayo. Tinanggal ko nga ng maaga eh. Hindi pala umabot ng 30. Sorry, Case.
Career high niya,
34?
34.
Pero hindi na namin habol yun. Ang habol namin manalo ngayon ng championship. So, yun talaga yun.
So, Coach, what's next? Right now, ito, natawin nyo na yung first match. So, what we can expect on the Blue Eagles moving forward?
We're excited. I think our girls can play better. We got Adamson, and you know what happened to us last year against Adamson. So we are going to be prepared for that. I'm sure they have, our girls don't need to be motivated. We are up and about and ready to go. Expect more from our team. Hopefully, mas maging kumpiyansa pa yung mga bago namin.
And
Can you talk about yung transition ng 5-on-5, 3x3, then balik ulit sa 5-on-5, and how does 3x3 help you become better sa 5-on-5?
At first, parang nahirapan pa ako from 3x3 tapos 5-on-5. Kasi magkaiba talaga yung laro pag 3x3. Pero siguro nakahelp din siya sa akin i-improve yung siguro individual skills ko din and paano mag-read inside the court.
Casey, last week teammates mo yung dalawang Adamson players sa 3x3. Now you're gonna be opponents. So, how excited are you na siyempre? Last week teammate ko siya. But ngayon, yun, magkalaban kayo for the first time. Especially lalo meron kayong hugot last year.
Super excited ako makalaban sila. Siyempre, habang nandun ako sa China, inaano ko na din.
Sinescout mo sila? Sinescout ka din ha? Baliw. Sinescout ka din.
Right, congratulations!
Thank you! Thank you!